Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Ready to make your Notion pages more organized and visually appealing? In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm showing you 3 easy ways to add dividers in Notion, perfect for anyone who wants to tidy up notes or build beautiful dashboards. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use these tricks to keep your workspace clear and your ideas separated, so let's jump right in. The first, and definitely the quickest, method is with Notion's built-in horizontal divider. This is perfect for when you just want a simple line to break up your content. Here, how you do it. Click where you want the divider to go and type /divider, that's. You'll see Notion's little suggestion pop up, and all you have to do is hit enter. Immediately, Notion gives you a nice, clean horizontal line across the page. This is used for creating some breathing room between sections, kind of like when you add a line in a handwritten notebook to separate ideas. It's not just about looks. These dividers also make your info easier to scan, especially if you've got meeting notes or a project layout with multiple parts. Sometimes, though, you might want a vertical divider instead. Maybe you're building a dashboard or you want to visually group things in columns. Notion doesn't have a vertical divider, but here's a creative workaround that works surprisingly well. First, in the spot you want your vertical divider, type and select the quote block. You'll see a vertical line pop up next to your text. Now here's the key. Since a quote block gets longer as you add more space, press enter several times. The vertical line stretches downwards, making a long divider that's great for separating columns or tall sections. Don't worry if it feels a bit hacky at first. Many experienced Notion users rely on this trick. And if the line isn't long enough, just keep pressing enter until it fits your needs. It's a bit like using a ruler in your notebook to draw a boundary between 2 sections, but digital. Now for our third method, which is a tad more advanced but super flexible for custom layouts. This involves using a tiny snippet of code. You don't have to be a coder for this, trust me. All you need to do is copy the code I've dropped in the description, then paste it right where you want the divider to appear in Notion. This approach can help you make dividers that match your style, or add dividers in places where the other methods don't quite fit. Maybe you want a divider that looks different, or you're going for a certain vibe in your workspace. Just paste the code and Notion does the rest. If it doesn't show up instantly, double-check that you've copied the whole thing and give it a moment. It might take a few seconds for Notion to fully render. If you're just starting out, don't worry if these dividers aren't perfect on the first try. Play around with their placement and experiment with combining them. It's all part of learning Notion. Just remember, these simple tricks can really help you build pages that feel less cluttered and much easier to navigate. Whether it's a personal to-do list or a big team dashboard, these dividers make a huge difference. That's it for this beginner tutorial. I hope you found these 3 quick and clever divider tricks helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps more people discover these tips. Leave a comment down below if you have any Notion questions or want more layout ideas, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, effective tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.